Hey guys, it's me, Callie here. Good evening, good night, good morning. I don't know where you live, but it's probably that time where you live. Anyways, you guys are probably wondering why I have these on. Fun fact about Williams syndrome individuals and people, in case y'all didn't know, we don't like loud noises. And unfortunately, you guys get to see this side of things because there's a storm going on. And so, what am I going to do? I'll show you guys what I'm fixing to do. Fixing to cover up and go to bed.
Just